G'day boys, Grigsby here, just running you through your holiday homework for Term 1 holidays in psychology. The first part of the holiday homework is to go on to Edrollo, and you'll notice here the practical investigation, so Unit 4 Area Study 3. Click on there, and your job is to go through all of these videos and activities for Area Study 3. Now my recommendation would be, as you go through these videos, you're using the information that you deal with in these videos to help you start drawing up some ideas for your Area Study 3 research project. So, for example, after you've watched the research and aims and hypotheses video, then you go and maybe have a go at writing up some aims and hypotheses for our own research project. So making sure that you're connecting these videos with actually what you're going to be doing in Term 2. So the first part of your holiday homework, going through all of these videos, completing the activities. We'll be checking those Day 1, Term 2. So I look forward to seeing a big green spreadsheet showing up with everyone having viewed the videos. Pardon me. The second part is that you will notice this is our course page. You go down to the bottom here, and Area Study 3 research is now available for you guys. We've put 3 different areas in there. These are the results. So the results that we got from you guys when you did your serial positioning effects research. We've also got here the holiday worksheet, which looks like this. Sorry, this one. So this is what you were given out in class on the last day of term. Just a brief explanation of what you're expected to cover throughout the research project, and give you, I guess, a starting point to make notes on over the holidays. So that's there. And then the final thing that we've got, which is available here, your work booklet. That's what you guys viewed in the lesson today. You're not able to take it home, but we've got a digital copy for you, so you can just review, firstly, the amount of lessons that you've got, 8 in total, and how many you've got on each particular section of the research project, and what marks are allocated to each of those. You can also go through and look particularly right at the end at the rubric that we've created. So basically what myself and Ms. Rice will do when you guys have completed each section is we'll go through and mark you based on this rubric. So it would be good if you guys started practicing over the holidays writing each section and then marking yourself using this rubric. That's what I would say the high level students would be doing. So we've made all that available to you online on My Masterland there. So, like I said, 2 activities, Edrollo number 1, and secondly, start preparing for and researching your practical investigation area of study 3. I would also expect as part of this that you would come in lesson 1 in term 2, ready to work on your research project. And if we review here, what that means is that the first session you'll be coming in and you'll be writing up your introduction, aim, hypotheses, literature review, IB and DB. So that'll be important that you have any previous research papers printed off. You're able to have those research papers with you throughout those periods, and they're allowed to be annotated using highlighter and small amounts of writing. What we don't want to see during that time is big blocks of writing, which you basically copy off a page. So the idea is you write this research project in the session, not out of, but you can certainly practice writing it outside of class time. You'll also be allowed in your writing time to have access to your textbook, so you're more than welcome to use that. But once again, no notes in your textbook for that please. Exceptions to the rule in terms of what I've just covered there. will be for your results session. You'll obviously be able to have access to your laptop for that in order to simply view your results and be able to graph them in the booklet. You'll also be allowed your laptop for sessions 7 and 8 in order to finalise and type that final feedback and put that onto a poster. So I hope that makes sense, boys. If you've got any questions over the holidays, I would expect that I check the email at least once. However, certainly don't expect speedy feedback, given that we sort of will be taking a bit of a break. So have a little bit of a look at the videos. Make sure you watch those videos and Rollo and check that they don't answer the questions that you've got before you email either myself or Miss Rice, please. Alright, best wishes and see you next term. Hope you have a good Easter.